Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn Came Fast. Today I am presenting the video on atomic structure. This is mainly for school level learners. I hope and believe that you will enjoy your learning chemistry. Atom is basic constituents of all matter. In this universe, atom is present mostly in combined state. Atom in the free state is mostly reactive, hence like to stay in the combined state. It is not visible with eyes. However, you can see with electron microscope, hence known as microscopic particle. Atoms of same element are having like properties, whereas atoms of different elements having different properties. Initial thinking of scientists were that atom is tiniest particle and not divisible. However, with the development of science, several experiments established that it is composite in nature. It is having three major subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Atom as a whole is electrically neutral, having two compartments, nuclear compartment and extranuclear compartment. Nuclear compartment having neutron and proton and is positively charged, whereas extranuclear compartment having only electron and is negatively charged. Nuclear compartment is too small in comparison to extranuclear compartment, but most of the mass is concentrated here. I like to cite an example here. Consider a football ground, ball placed at center earmarked with chalk can be taken as a nucleus, whereas the remaining part of the ground can be considered as extranuclear part of an atom for comparison. It is a lithium atom having three protons and three neutrons in the nucleus, three electrons in extranuclear part in different atomic orbitals. As per wave theory, electron is a stream of negatively charged cloud surrounding the positively charged nucleus. The cloud gets the approximate shape of orbital. The radii of hydrogen atom is given here. Nuclear radii can be calculated by using the formula as given here. While you compare it with atomic radii, difference is 10 to the power 5 order. Using the nuclear radii, determine the volume of nucleus, that is 4/3 pi r cube. Once volume is calculated, density of the nucleus can be calculated considering it a suitable nucleus. Concept of atomic number is an unique number for an element. This is fixed because depends on number of protons and is very helpful in determining the electron configuration and its position in the periodic table. Mass number is the summation of proton and neutron, also known as nucleons. Atoms of different elements can be symbolized by using the concept of atomic number and mass number. Sometimes in a specific atom you find mass number is different. So the concept of isotope is developed because of different number of neutrons in nucleus of any specific element. The most abundant isotope is stable. Knowing the atomic number and mass number, easily the number of neutrons can be calculated. Chemical properties are same for all isotopes of an element, but physical properties vary because of varied mass number. Different elements having the same number of neutrons are known as isotones, whereas having the same number of nucleons are known as isobar. You must have an identity of self. Similarly, every electron in an atom have separate identity with the help of four quantum numbers. Principal quantum number gives you an idea of energy of electron's orbit and also gives the radii of electron's orbit. This is a pictorial diagram showing radii of orbit and also its energy. The second set of quantum number gives you an idea about subcell or sublevel in which one or more orbitals are present. This also gives an idea about shape of electron's orbit. S orbital is spherical, having uniform density all through, so no directional characteristics. P orbitals having directional characteristics because Px, Py and Pz orbitals along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. These are picture of 5d orbitals. dxy, dxz and dyz. The lobes are in xy plane, xz plane and yz plane respectively. In dx square minus y square, the lobes are along the x and y axis. In dz square, the lobe is along the z axis and a ring at the center passing through x and y axis. The third set of quantum number gives you an idea about orientation of electron's orbit in applied magnetic field. It further provides an idea about the number of orbitals in a specific subcell. Spin quantum number gives an idea about spinning of electron in its own axis, clockwise or anticlockwise fashion, and its impact in orbital angular momentum. This is a pictorial diagram of spinning of electron clockwise or anticlockwise manner. The resulting values are of same magnitude but of opposite sign due to different rotational characteristics. Students are advised to go through the questions and analyze it with your own concept. Thereafter, visit my website to check it with my inserted answer key. You again analyze it and find your deficiency of knowledge, if any. Any problem arises, you can contact me through my email. Thanks for watching this video. In this channel, next video is electron configuration of elements.